Hi everyone, my name is Jean and the name of my channel is Jean Home Decor and More. Welcome back, welcome if you are new. Welcome to Quick and Easy Meals. Quick and Easy Meals is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living, and myself, Jean Home Decor and More. Well, today I am doing a different recipe, a new recipe, and you can see it, 10-minute shrimp lettuce wraps. So we're going to try this. It's Mediterranean. It's a Mediterranean dish. So we're going to try this today and see how it works. I've never made it before, so let's hope it turns out nice. All right, so let's look at some of the ingredients. So the ingredients calls for green onions, and I have sliced horizontally some cucumber. We have some cilantro, and I didn't have enough, so I'm going to also add a little parsley, which is what the recipe calls for. I have some green pepper, and I have some tricolor cherry tomatoes. And of course, I'm using butter lettuce for my wraps. And these are the other seasonings that I'm going to be using in this recipe. And if you can't see this one here, this one is oregano. And they ask you to get Green Goddess tahini dressing, but this is the same. So I'm going to be using this creamy tahini and lemon recipe dressing. So that's what we're going to be using. And these are our ingredients. And then over here, I have my shrimp, okay? So I wanted to cut them up prior to getting on the camera because I thought it would save a little time. So I'm going to start putting this together. So keep watching. Oh, let me just say this. I will be posting the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Deborah Cabassa Home Living. I'll be posting the links to their channels in the description box down below. I'm sure that when you click on their channels, you'll be amazed to find a variety of content that you would enjoy. So go ahead and subscribe to their channels and mine too. Go ahead and subscribe, guys. You know, we would all love to have you join our channels. And hey, look, if you like cooking or baking, come on and join us for Quick and Easy Meals. It's hosted every Sunday at 7 p.m. and it's an open collaboration. I wanted to swing back over to show you some of the ingredients here. This is what it looks like, and this is what I'm hoping mine looks like, although they're using a red pepper and I don't have one, which is okay. Okay, so this is what we're going to be doing here, and I'm kind of trying to scroll down and show you the ingredients, but nevertheless, let's see, did I pass them? Might have passed them. But in any event, what I'll do is I'll put the link to this recipe down in the description box as well. So if you would like to try this 10-minute shrimp lettuce wrap, you know, look for it below, okay? All right, guys, let's get started. Keep watching. Okay, guys, while my pan is heating up, okay, I have the extra virgin olive oil in the pan, and then I am doctoring up my Annie's tahini goddess dressing. I just kind of doctored that up. I put a little crushed red pepper in it. I put some lemon in it. I put a hint of sugar in it, a little bit of garlic. So I'm kind of doctoring that up a little bit. And so we're going to see how that tastes. You know, we'll keep working on that till it tastes good. Because I tasted a little bit of this right out of the bottle. And I said, this needs to have a little pizzazz to it. So, you know, that's what I do. I cook and then I taste. And I said, well, we're going to have to doctor that up a little bit. So that's what I'm doing. And so again, I'm waiting for my pan to heat up and I'm going to pop the shrimp in. And pretty much, guys, everything is all cut up. So this is pretty easy, okay? It's an easy Saturday night meal. Oh, and by the way, this, as you can see, this is vegan. Let's see where I saw that at. See? This is vegan. So if you're vegan, this would be a choice for you. amongst maybe your other tahini dressings. Okay, keep watching. I just want to say I also added a little lemon to my shrimp before I am going to sear them on top of the stove. Okay, keep watching. So to this shrimp, I've added a little bit of butter, paprika, you know, a little parsley, oregano, and salt, and of course black pepper. So when this gets done, we are going to put our wraps all together. Keep watching. So our shrimp is looking pretty good now, and we are ready to assemble these wraps. Here we go. Keep watching. Okay, guys, here are our shrimp lettuce wraps. So let's go ahead and add the toppings on it. So I'm going to begin to add a little green onion on each one. And this is my first time making these. I know that you can get these at the Cheesecake Factory. So we'll add a little of these tricolor. And some of these, oh wow guys, some of these, the lettuce, the butter lettuce, some of the leaves are larger than the other ones. So the ones that have the larger leaves, you know, I put a little bit more shrimp on them, you know, because it holds a little bit more. So we'll add a little bit of cilantro, just a tad on each one. And what we had to do, let me just say this, I let my husband taste the tahini sauce because we had to doctor it up. So he said, you know what will be good? Let's mix in a little honey with it. And that's what we did. And he said, oh, that tastes pretty good. So that's what we did. So now we're going to add in, well, let me do this. Let me go in my little drawer here. And so I'm just going to add in a little cucumber. And a little bit of green pepper. My husband will be like, what in the world you come up with this time? Okay, so now, here's our tahini sauce. So I'm going to drizzle a little bit of that over it. A little tahini sauce there, a little tahini here, a little tahini there. And a little bit on that one. And let me add a little bit more on this guy. Okay, guys. So here we are. I'm sorry about my finger going through. Here we are, guys. Here's the reveal. That looks pretty healthy, doesn't it? So I've never tried it. So let me take a bite. I'm gonna see how they taste, and I'll let you know if I like this recipe or not. Okay, keep watching. Guys, I have to tell you, it's really, really good. But I didn't pick the lettuce up to eat it like a wrap. I'm eating it like a salad, but it is delicious. I do like it. So I'm going to post the link to this shrimp lettuce wrap recipe down in the description box. It was quick. I mean, you cut up your vegetables, but after you cut your vegetables up and you know, sear your shrimp, you're done. So it's definitely quick and easy. It's a nice meal for Saturday night. You see, I got a little glass of Chardonnay. Okay, guys, until the next time, have an amazing evening. Bye-bye.